Building an AI chatbot with RAG is a practical video series. In part 1, we configure the entire local development environment using Docker, Oracle Database, Python, and Ollama, all without external APIs. First, update your package list and install Docker Engine. Next, start and enable the Docker service. Now, add your user to the Docker group. Remember to use -ag to append, not replace. Then, verify the status. Now, run this single command to pull and start the Oracle 26 AI free in container. Remember to set a strong password in Oracle pwd and save it. Now, check your container using docker ps command. Then, connect as sysdba without a password using SQL+. Now that our database is ready, let's set up Python 3 and its virtual environment. Once those are installed, create your project folder and execute these commands. Now, executing the following command will create a virtual sandbox folder. With your project folder ready, let's spin up the virtual environment and activate it. When you see folder name appear right in your terminal prompt, you'll know it worked. Go ahead and use. Next up, we need Ollama, which is the tool that lets us run AI models directly on your local machine. To get it installed, just run this next command. Now that Ollama is up and running, let's pull embedding model, Nomic-Embed text, and the Mistral LLM. After the download finishes, run Ollama list to verify they are ready to go. To see how the Mistral LLM works without RAG, execute the following command. Let's take a quick breath and recap. At this stage, we have Docker running, our Oracle database deployed, Python configured with a virtual environment, and Ollama loaded with both Mistral and Nomic-Embed. Your local development environment is officially complete. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.